Sometimes, you might have sent an event through WhatsApp. Afterwards, if you want to edit that event, you can do that. In this video, we'll be telling you about how to edit a WhatsApp event. For this, open the WhatsApp application, then select the contact to which you sent that event. For example, I'm selecting this contact. After that, here you can see that event. Just click on that event. When you're clicking on that, here you can see Edit Event option. Click on Edit Event. When you're clicking on that, here you can see the options to edit that event. If you want to change the title, you can do that. If you want to add a description, you can add that. If you want to change the time, here you can see date. Just click on that and select the date, and here the time option is there. If you want to change the time, you can do that. And here, ending time is there. Sometimes the time won't be there. In that case, click on Add End Time, and here you can set the end time by clicking here. You can select the date, and by clicking here, you can select the time. After that, if you want to add a location, you can add the location here, and sometimes that event will be through a WhatsApp call. In that case, you can turn this on, and after that, here you can see call type. You can set your call type, either you can set it to voice or video. After that, here you can see the Allow Guests option. If you want others to invite their guests to this event, you can turn this on. If you don't want that, just turn this off. After that, click on the Send button, and when you're clicking on that, that event will be edited. So, this way, you can easily edit any event on WhatsApp. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.